Hey guys, this is bench accounting, and this has changed my business so freaking much. From not knowing exactly what my numbers were or having to spend tons of time trying to reconcile documents with zero, it was a huge pain in the butt. Bench does most of this work for you. It is just a bookkeeping service that allows you to upload your documents each month, easily cancel out anything that is not relevant, and just make sure that you have your book straight. Now, I use this for Amazon. A lot of you are doing Amazon FBA, and you're buying multiple items every single day and sending them over to Amazon. You've got expenses coming from all over the place, incomes coming from all over the place in form of cashback, profits, savings on gift cards, and so it is a mess. And if you were to think of all of this as one transaction at a time and trying to reconcile all of that, it is impossible. I'm going to post a link below to start a free trial. You get a free month, and that free month, what that does is they will go back to a recent month and they will get your book straight, and that is your free month, and then you have to start paying immediately after that. If you go through my link, you will also get a free month on top of that, which will save you anywhere from $100 to $300 depending on which package you go with. And so how this works, when you sign up, they get you to upload some of your documents, okay? And then from there, they make sure that basically you talk with a normal rep, and then they get all those documents straight, and then you get on a phone call with one of the account managers, and they go over line item, each thing, and make sure that everything is actually an expense and actually an income. And for me, and probably for you, my books were very diluted, my accounts were diluted, and so what it also did is it pushed me to, I guess, reconcile some of these things, make sure all the cards were separated, make sure the bank accounts were separated, basically all that good stuff. You do not want to have to go back 1 year and do all this stuff because it can be a super big headache. Because by that point, you're not going to remember what was an expense, what was an income. The good thing is if you have a question, they will book a call with you, or you can book a call with them in advance to go over some things, and that is included. At the end of the month, basically what you're doing is you're uploading your bank, your credit card, and they have third-party access to your Amazon to see what's going through there as well to make sure that everything is lined up. And so this is what the inside of the account will look like, and mine is fairly new, so this is not actually my stuff just yet, so it takes 2 months of data before they'll actually update this. And they also have the pulse, which you can do sort of exactly what you've done one by one. This is not my account, this is just sort of like a sample right here. You can message them back and forth to go over your account. They'll call you if you need it, all that good stuff. Here's where you upload your reports, and all you do is just drag and drop your bank statement for the year. You can go over it'll have your income statement here, your balance sheet. Oh, my bad. This is where you upload your documents. My bad. This is your report. Sorry. And that really covers it right there. You can do receipts, unmatched receipts, taxes, all that stuff, all in this little back end area. As far as, let's see if I didn't cover any of this. Year-end financials. These are dedicated bookkeepers. Once again, these are not accountants, so they're just managing what you actually put into the system. You can categorize everything to where you know where it's coming from. You can have it shows you your top 10 expenses, and I think that about covers it right there. But guys, this is such a game changer for your Amazon business, or really any business. As far as pricing goes, it goes on a expense basis. So the more you spend, the more that it costs you to do this. I think I'm right here. No, I think I'll be right here. which is $7,500 to $20,000 a month, and that is $165 if you pay a year in advance. It's $195 if you do it monthly. If you pay in a year in advance and then you decide to quit 6 months in, then they will cut you a check for the balance of whatever you have not paid. So I think that's pretty cool, very fair. And once again, for free, they do a month of your books, and then from there, that's basically your free month. And then when you sign up with my link, you will get another free month, which will save you, depending on how much you're spending, anywhere from $125 to $345 a month. So if you're a bigger business, that's going to be the max that you're going to have to pay, $300 to $350, depending on if you do it in advance or if you do it by month. And so if you have any questions, post them below, and I'll be happy to help.